Good morning, all of you. Today, in environmental education, we are going to study about the role of information technology and media in environment awareness or consciousness. Here, we are going to discuss following topics. First is role of media in environment awareness, and second is role of information technology in environment awareness. Now, media in enhancing environmental awareness. Environment is a basic need for all living beings because every necessity for them depends on it. Unless the environment is protected, the existence of life on the planet Earth would be impossible. That is why environmental issues have become globally important. All people must give their contribution for the betterment of environment. The role of media is very important in shaping public awareness about global climate change and associated action. When we discuss about role of media, we focus on three key issues: to inform, to educate, and to entertain. Here we are having different types of media. First is print media, that includes newspaper, magazines, advertisement, journals, pamphlets, etc. Second is broadcast media, which include television and radio. Third is social media, that includes social media along with internet. First is print media. Print media is still dominant and most influential compared to electronic media, can play a big role in environmental protection. Print media have been enriched by the production and distribution of printed materials such as books, magazines, brochures, which have helped in transfer of new and current awareness about our environment. A few print and broadcast media had offered columns and feature programs on the environment, but the overall coverage is quite primitive and limited. India's most important newspaper like Times of India, The Hindu, Hindustan Times and the Indian Express have an article on environmental issue at least every second day. Radio. Radio is the cheapest media and most easily accessible mode of information and entertainment throughout the country. It is observed that it has been noted that Delhi FM was broadcasting two weekly programs on environment, Kinare Kinare and Aao Dilli Saware, on being motivated by Ministry of Environment and Forest. At the national level, the news on environmental aspects are very scarce, and if they are broadcast, they are most often at the regional level. Television. Mass media, especially television for promotion government is now increasing interested in allocating prime TV slots to entertain environment program on TV regarding environmental issues. Most environmental documentaries shown on TV today attract few viewers because of the academic or manner in which they are presented. There are some channels like Discovery, Earth, National Geographical Channel and Animal Planet Channel are broadcasting exclusively on endangered species, wildlife, sea life, etc. Television has become a new status symbol even in remote villages as well. A further advantage of television as an educational media is that it is helpful in teaching practical work. A televised presentation can be as clear as face-to-face demonstration. Awareness by social media. The internet's huge reach and accessible made it one of the best resources for people all over the world to find information about climate change, environmentalism and how to be green. Internet is nowadays used more frequently to encourage environmental awareness as it provides opportunity to the people to respond and participate immediately. With Facebook or Twitter, youths today are very much connected with each other and other global or local issues through the internet. Although not limited to youths only, social media platforms are also utilized by industry and government agencies as a preferred tool of communication with the general public. Social networking sites has really widened our horizon on world affairs, built international understanding and has many dedicated pages on environmental awareness and its protection. Environmental awareness through conference and seminar. Seminars, conference or webinars play vital role to environmental awareness among professionals. Many professional and research scholars write articles and research paper on the topic environmental awareness and present in seminar and conference. Time to time, many association, society and colleges organize such type of programs for environmental awareness. Now, role of information technology in environment awareness. Information technology has tremendous potential in the field of environmental education and health as in other fields like business, economics, politics or culture. Development of internet facility, geographical information system GIS and information through satellites has generated a wealth of up-to-date information on various aspects of environment and health. A number of software have been developed for environment and health studies which are user-friendly and can help an early learner in knowing and understanding the subject. Database on environment system. Database is a collection of interrelated data on various subjects. It is usually computerized form and can be retrieved whenever required. In the computer, the information of database and can be very quickly retrieved. The comprehensive database includes wildlife database, conservation database along with forest cover. First is National Management Information System NMIS. NMIS of the Department of Science and Technology has compiled a database on research and development projects along with information about research scientists and personnel involved. Environment Information System ENVIS. The Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India has created an information system called ENVIS. With its headquarters in Delhi, it functions in 25 different centers all over the country. The ENVIS centers work for generating a network of database in areas like pollution control, clean technology, remote sensing, coastal ecology, biodiversity, western Ghats, and eastern environmental management, media related to environment, renewable energy, desertification, mangroves, wildlife, Himalayan ecology, and mining. It means it is covering all aspects of environmental education. Remote sensing and geographic information system. Satellite images provide actual information about various physical and biological resources and also to some extent about their state of degradation in a digital form through remote sensing. Satellite imagery provide actual information about various physical and biological resources and also to some extent about their state of degradation in a digital form through remote sensing. We are able to gather digital information on environment aspects like waterlogging, desertification, deforestation, urban sprawl, river and canal network, mineral and energy reserves, and so on. Geographical Information System (GIS). GIS has proved to be a very effective tool in environmental management. GIS is a technique of superimposing various thematic maps using digital data on a large number of interrelated or interdependent aspects. Several useful softwares have been developed for working in the field of GIS. They also provide information of atmospheric phenomena like approach of monsoon, ozone layer depletion, many new reserves of oil, minerals, etc. With the remote sensing technique, it means GIS plays a very important role in resource mapping, environmental conservation, management, planning, and environmental impact assessment. Thank you.